How you doing? Welcome to hashtag Better Eats. I'm your host, Chef Divine. Today we'll be cooking just a simple chicken breast. I have my chicken breast, and I have butter, and I have my fork, and you'll need a knife to cut your butter with. Now let's get started. Cut your pan on. I'm going to cut my pan on about 7.7 approximately. Now, let's get that butter into that pan. I have already pre-cut my butter into little butter slices. So let's get that butter into that pan. Let's flow, let's grow. How you doing? Welcome everybody to hashtag Better Eats. Today we'll be cooking a simple grilled chicken. I thank you all for joining me. You may choose the seasonings of your choice. That is up to you. You may choose any seasoning that you would like. That is up to you. We are letting this pan heat up. Get your butter in there and coat your pan nicely. Alright, we're letting our butter melt. Alright, it is to the point where we would like to take and just into your chicken breast. Now you may use the seasonings of your choice. I use salt and I use pepper and garlic flakes. But choose the seasonings of your choice. Let's get ready to plate here. But let's also get those little bit of seasonings on that plate. Now, I used a plastic plate because it was easy for discarding purposes. And that is what you want. Alright, I had to wash my knife off. And you just let it cook. You just let it cook. Just let it cook. Just let it cook. Take your butter. Go around that pan. Go around that meat. And you just let it cook. You just let it cook. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to do anything to it. Just let your chicken breast fry on up, and the pan's gonna do its job and the butter's gonna do its job. You just stand back and watch the work. I wish we had smell-o-vision, 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 so you can smell the garlic and the salt, the pepper. It smells delightful. Now, you see the little bit of white on your chicken breast right there? That means go around it again and add another piece of butter. Take it up, hold your pan up like such. Take your meat, lift it up, pour your pan down, and flip her over. Now you see the caramelization on the chicken breast. You want your chicken breast to have a nice caramelization on it. That is why I told you do not have to move it at all, because you want it to be nice and caramelized. Now this is the point where you turn the oven down a little bit. turn your dial down. Pick your pan up. Take the butter that's in there. Go around your chicken breast. See how it's moving now? That means she is nice and glazed on both sides, and she has moisture in the inside. So you don't have to worry about it being dry at all. Just let it cook. She's grilling up nice, baby. How are you all doing? Welcome to hashtag Better H. I am your host, Divine Wisdom. Today we are grilling the chicken breast. And you just let it cook. And you let it cook. Let your pan do its job. And you do your job and stand back and watch it and make sure that it is cooking to the consistency that you would like it to cook. How's everyone doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now in a moment we're going to flip it because we're going to cook it 3 minutes on each side as we flip it in a total of about 12 minutes altogether. So right now we're in the process of about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to flip it over in 2 more minutes. I'm just letting it do its job, letting it do its job, and letting it grill up nicely. Then I'm going to take my pan again and take the remaining butter that is in there and move it around. Now it should be coated nicely to where I want it. Let's flip it over. Alright, yes. You see that nice garlic toasted up on there? Yes, he is ready. He is almost ready. And normally I cook it for about 12 minutes, but I think I'm going to have to cook this for 12 minutes. Probably about 9 to about 10 minutes because it's a little shorter than, it's smaller than the normal chicken breast that I cook. So he's pretty much almost done here. Alright. How you like that? Flip it over again. And this time you flip it this direction. Now notice, I turned my pan down and I'm just allowing it to cook. I'm going to add another little piece of butter in there. Because you don't want it to stick. But you see all these little pieces right there that's on the bottom of this pan. Oh, we're getting ready to go and get those shortly. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Alright, she almost done. She almost done. Now I'm going to lean it up for a moment, like this, just to ensure that all sides of the chicken breast is done. Anything that is not done in the inside is going to let you know during this process. Now you can't see, but right up here, it has a little glaze that lets you know that your meat is done. It'll have a little glaze on it. So now that he is done and he is ready, let us take him out the pan. Alright now. Now, we getting ready to use these pieces. Now normally you can do this with an onion and it deglazes it too. But I don't want to have to do no more seasoning, so we're going to do this right here. Alright, throw that butter back in that pan. See this right here? Now guess what I got in store for you? Asparagus. You throw those asparagus right in there. And the water from the asparagus is actually going to deglaze the whole pan. You can also do that with onions. But today we're using asparagus to deglaze the pan. And let's move those around. See how it's coming up? See that? That's what you call it a deglaze. And your food is seasoned. But we're still just adding this sprinkle of salt just for GP purposes. Alright now. Let's go, let's flow. Welcome to Better Ace, where I am your host. #Divine. Today we were making a grilled chicken, and I decided to go ahead and make some asparagus with it while showing you how to deglaze your pan and use those seasonings so that nothing goes to waste. Nothing goes to waste. Now, this is the time where you want to get ready to turn your dial down back to 3. It was on 7, so we're going to adjust it to 3. And just keep rocking. And let them cook and do their job. They're pretty much almost done. You're going to know when they're done when you start seeing them form a lighter green than the green. Pardon yourself, a little darker green than the green it was when you put them into the pan. And see how that one is bending over? That is a sign also to let you know that they're pretty much done. Because you want them soft. So you take your fork and you check. And that is how you deglaze your pan while also making some asparagus. And I'm going to add another smidget of butter in there because of all of the water that may have came off of the asparagus. And you want it to be flavored nice and well. See that glaze I just put on there? Now that's when you know your asparagus is done. I thank you all for coming over here to #Better Ace with your host, Chef Divine Wisdom. Now let's get to plating, because our asparagus are nice and done. Gonna turn that off and let us get to plating. The grilled chicken was already on there prior. Now you see the nice juice that has came out there. We're gonna take our plate and move it forward and let all of those nice juices from the chicken be on the bottom of the asparagus. And you take and you sit your asparagus right on top of your plate. Sit the asparagus right on top of your plate. Now this is what you call a divine grilled chicken and asparagus. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to cook this for you and your family, because it is always a pleasure at #Better Ace with your host, Chef Divine. Come and get you some. Enjoy. It's my pleasure. And you go be great and mighty and get you some asparagus and grilled chicken. You dig? Blessings on blessings. Thank you for choosing #Divine Wisdom. It's my pleasure. Be sure to also join me on Monday for Motivational Monday, and Thursdays and Sundays where you can get a nice cook meal for your family. And I'll give you some inspiration as well. So please join me on Monday, Thursdays, and Sundays. Have an awesome day. Like, subscribe, and share this out to somebody you know who like asparagus and grilled chicken. Hello. Let's go, let's flow. Be kind to one another, and you go and be great and mighty. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. Because I got nothing but love for you, baby. I got nothing but asparagus, baby. I got nothing but grilled chicken, baby. I got nothing but love for you, baby. It's my pleasure. Thank you. Take care. Alright, this grilled chicken and asparagus. Let's go ahead and cut this chicken breast open so you can see. Oh my goodness. Look how moist that is. Oh my goodness. And ain't no red anywhere. Look at this chicken breast, you guys. Do you see the juice in there? Do you see the juice dripping? Come join me where I show you how to cook you a nice grilled chicken. Blessings. Come and get you some. Grilled chicken anyway? Grilled chicken anyway? Oh God, I thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. I ask that you help it to nourish my body. All praise is due to the Most High. Thank you for all that you blessed me with. Thank you so much. Thank you for this food. Thank you. I ask that you bless the hands that prepared it and bless the hands that provided it. All praise is due to the Most High. Thank you, Lord. Amen.